Hey y'all, just want to stop by here at Carowinds real quick. We heard today they're going to be putting up some support columns, the new ones here at Fury. And as you see back here, there is some work going on. So it's going to be a quick little video, not a whole lot of narration, as well, there's not a whole lot to tell, but other than they're doing some work on the supports. So hope you enjoy these videos. Hope you enjoy the updates we got coming from the park. If you do, please like, subscribe, comment, ring that bell notification. We got a lot of great stuff coming out from Carowinds, including, Fury updates. So let's get started on what they're working on.
Third track trail. I think that's about as close as I can get.
We went inside to take a little break because we was hot and hungry, and we come back out and, well, I already got the support up. Looks like they're getting it bolted in place now. Just kind of everything's set now.
See him scrap the track.
Well, it looks like they've got everything lined up, and you see a few bolts to the track now. Still haven't unstrapped the track to let the support column hold it completely. As they're down here at the bottom, they have been doing some alignment work and adjustments on these columns. So they're still working. There's some of them right now. They're kind of working to kind of get everything lined up. Well, that's gonna wrap it up. I mean, it is hot out here. As you see, the support's pretty much in. Right now, they're just kind of doing little final adjustments. Gonna bolt that track together. I'm here tomorrow. They're gonna go out and possibly next week, start testing. If I am here and if I know about it, I'll be sure to make a video and keep y'all informed about it. Another great way to keep informed besides this YouTube page is check out our Facebook page, our Instagram page, all our TikToks, all that kind of stuff. And that's where you can really keep up to date with more than just videos, a lot of pictures and a lot of reels. So go check us out over there also. If you like this content, please consider subscribing, thumbs up, ring that bell notification. We got a lot coming out from this park and many more. Thank you for hanging with the Crazy Crew, and we'll see you next time.